Take on defenders from 5 different angles in this game we call frequent flyers. Use a half court, then space out 5 cones along the 3-point line. Here's how it looks. Divide the group into offensive and defensive players, with 2 or 3 more players on offense than defense. Ask players to name each of the 5 cones after a different city. Give each offensive player a ball and send them each to a cone. The defenders start in the paint. On your call,
So set, go.
the offensive players must dribble from one of the cones to the basket, get past a defender, and score. Once they do, they can consider their imaginary passport stamped by that cone's corresponding city. The first player to score from all 5 cities wins the round.
Good, always a stamp, good.
Timing is everything here, and it may take a few tries before offensive players learn to time their shot to when defenders are focused on guarding another player.